The goal of Vox Nutrition has always been to provide our customers with a one-stop shop for all of their private label supplement needs. We pride ourselves on giving our customers a wide range of quality private label supplements to sell to their customers worldwide, while being able to give them fast turnaround times and unlimited customization of their bottles, lids, labels, and more. We have vertically integrated with our sister company, Quality Supplements Manufacturing, to provide additional options to our recently announced contract manufacturing services. Partnering with QSM allows us to provide our customers with manufacturing options for powder services, tablet formulations, and livestock supplements. We are excited about what this partnership means for our customers moving forward, as it will help them expand their business by providing the options they need to build out their own custom formulations.